Good evening, student. We solve the seventh question of the exercise 13b of a Pythagoras theorem. The question is, in a rectangle ABCD, we have to prove that कि AC square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square. So first we write the given. What is given? Rectangle ABCD. What we have to prove? AC square plus BD square is equal to this terms, and now we have to prove this. In triangle ACB, we know that कि Pythagoras theorem is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So here is hypotenuse is AC square equals to BC square plus AB square. So this is the first equation. Now in triangle BDC, similar we have to take this triangle BDC. In this BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square, and this is a rectangle, so we have to take the AD at place of BC. So we have BD square is equal to AD square plus DC square, and this is the second equation. We add both the equations and we get AC square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square, and hence proved. So by this we have to prove this question. Now the eighth question. In a quadrilateral ABCD, angle B and D is 90 given, and we have to prove that 2AC square minus AB square is equal to BC square plus CD square plus DA square. We have to write the same. Given quadrilateral ABCD, angle B and D both are 90 degree. To prove, we have to write that which we have to prove. Proof is there. In triangle ABC, we have to take AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. From here we have to take the value of AB square. What we write? AC square minus BC square, and this is the first equation. Now in triangle AD and C, here is AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square, same by the Pythagoras theorem. Now we have to take the left hand side, which we have to prove this 2AC square minus AB square. 2AC square minus AB square is given. We have to put the value of AB square, which we have find in the first equation, AC square minus BC square. 2AC square minus AC square plus BC square, and 2AC square minus AC is only single AC square plus BC square. Now from second we have to put the value of AC square in this, and this is AD square plus DC square, and we have to reach at the right hand side AD square plus DC square plus BC square, and by this we have to prove this question. Now the question number 9. He says कि O is any point inside a rectangle ABCD. Prove that OB square plus OD square is equal to OC square plus OA square. In this, the given is a rectangle ABCD and O inside this. हमने prove करना है OB square plus OD square equals to OC square plus OA square. What we have to draw? We draw the lines which is passing from O, like OA, OC, OB and OD. Similar, we have to draw the perpendicular on the sides, OF on BC, OE on AB, OH on AD and OG on CD. So let's prove. In triangle AOH, the Pythagoras theorem, OA square equals to AH square plus OH square. OH is equal to AE, so we have to write here AE square plus AH square. Similar in triangle OCG, OC square is equal to OG square plus CG square. OG is equal to HD and CG is equal to BE. We have to put here HD square plus BE square. Similar now in triangle OBE, OB square is equal to BE square plus OE square, and OE is equal to AH. So we put here the value. In triangle OHD, OD square is equal to HD square plus OH square. Similar, OH is equal to AE. From here we have to add first and second. So this is the equation, and next third and fourth add karo and we have this equation. This right hand side of both the equations are same, so left hand sides are also equal. So OA square plus OC square equals to OB square plus OD square, and by this we have to prove this question. Now the 10th question is, in the following figure, OP, OQ and OR are drawn perpendicular to the sides BC, CA and AB respectively of triangle ABC. Prove that AR square plus BP square plus CQ square is equal to AQ square plus CP square plus BR square. Okay, so what is the given to us? We have a given that OP perpendicular to BC, OQ perpendicular to AC and OR perpendicular to AB. This is a given. And to prove, we have to prove, we write here. And construction is that you have to meet OA, OB and OC. Now let's prove. In triangle AOR, first we have to find the values of AR square, BP square, CQ squares by the Pythagoras theorem. So we have to take triangle AOR. AR square is equal to OR square minus OA square minus OA square minus OR square. This is the first equation. In triangle BOP, BP square equals to OB square minus OP square. This is second. In triangle COQ, we have to take CQ square equals to OC square minus OQ square. These first, second and third equation we have to add and we get this answer. Similar, we have to find the values of AQ square, CP square plus BR square. Similar, in triangle AOQ, AQ square equals to OA square minus OQ square. This is the fifth equation. In triangle COP, CP square equals to OC square minus OP square. And in triangle BRO, BR square equal to OB square minus OR square. And we have to add all these three equations and we get AQ square plus CP square plus BR square is equal to OA square minus OQ square plus OC square minus OP square plus OB square minus OR square. See, we have this fourth equation and this eighth equation are equal. So we have to equate. So AR square plus BP square plus CQ square is equal to AQ square plus CP square plus BR square. By this we have to solve these questions. You subscribe this channel, Global Academy. Thanks for it.